Can we see who shared our posts on Instagram? Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and let me guide whether we can see who shared our post on Instagram or not. Without further ado, let's get started. Launch Instagram app. Navigate to profile icon. Make sure you have switched your personal account to professional. To do that, tap 3 bar menu icon at top right. Scroll down. Now tap on Professional or simply Account type in Tools under for Professional. Tap Switch to Professional Account. Tap Next button. Choose the category for your page and tap on Switch to Professional Account. Choose between Creator or Business and tap Next. Follow the 7 steps and you have successfully switched to Professional Account. Scroll down, look for the post where you want to see who shared your post. Here tap on View Insights at bottom left of the post. Here you can easily find all the likes, comments, shares and saved. So unfortunately, Instagram doesn't allow us to see who exactly shared our post on Instagram, but we can see the number of users, that is followers or non-followers who have shared our post on Instagram. In case if they have tagged us by sharing, then we can easily find out who actually shared our post on Instagram. So, I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to like, share, and comment. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.